Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage home screen widgets on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To manage home screen widgets, first I'm gonna show you how to add one. Press and hold on some free space on your home screen, and then tap on widgets, and now you can choose an app from which you want to choose a widget. I'm gonna choose a clock widget, and now you can choose the style of the widget or the data which is gonna be shown on the widget, because here is the time and here is the stopwatch. So I'm gonna choose the digital clock. You need to press and hold, then drag it and put it on the place you want to put it on. And you can, in some widgets, you can choose the style, solid or transparent. For example, I'm gonna choose the transparent one. You can resize them by moving these dots like that, as you can see. You can also move them, and to remove a widget, press and hold on it and drag it over remove at the top, then release, and now the widget has been removed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.